Welcome back everybody to Beautiful Experiences for You. This is video 3 of my Unwantable boxes. So if you haven't already checked them out, go check out videos 1 and 2 where I unboxed the coastal theme and the bestsellers theme. What I have now here is their social or summer social theme. And I think I have 1 or 2 more boxes coming. I know 1, maybe a second. But go check out the other videos if you haven't already. I am giving Wantable another chance to listen, or an opportunity to listen to what my requests are. And so far, based on what they have provided in the other 2 boxes, they have listened. So I'm very happy. This is Emmy Lou. Say hi, Emmy. This is my little Emmy. Emmy we adopted from Kuwait. She's a good little girl. Ornery though. Ornery, but cute. So let's just dive in. If you're not familiar with Wantable, you pay a styling fee and then they will ship you clothes. You do get to like fill out a questionnaire so they know what your likes are, your dislikes are, what your price ratio is. So it's $20 for the styling fee, but you get to take that price off of whatever you would like to keep. You don't have to keep anything and you can ship back whatever you don't like for free, or you can get a different size. All right, opening up. I think I've gotten this shirt before and I didn't like it. This is 78 and Sunny. All right, so these are 2 short of sleeves for me. And it's not me. It's not a me shirt. And I'm pretty sure I've gotten this before. The next item I did request, whether I requested it for this box or the others, I don't know, but I did request it. And it is a sweater by Z Supply, and it says vacation. That's my most favorite thing in the world is vacations. So I love it. I am going to try it on. $59 is actually a really good price for this compared to what we've seen in other boxes. So one thing I do want to mention is this is supposed to be a summer social. So would you want to see sweaters? Would you want to see warmer clothes? That's going to be dependent upon you. I've said in the other videos that I didn't want sweaters per se, because it is supposed to be warm. But then you're also seeing if I like the sweater, if it's lightweight, price is good, I'm keeping the sweater. So it just depends. But you know, overall, I don't want to see tons of sweaters in here because it's a summer social box. But moving on. The next is by Z Supply, and it is a sweater. Now, I think though I requested this though because I love the color. So this is a large. It's short. Now, the others are short too, but for some reason this one just seems shorter. This was going to be dependent upon the price because there's nothing fancy about this. I like the color. Oh, the bottom. Check out the bottom. I do like the bottom. And that is also carried over onto the sleeves. I do like it. This is going to be dependent upon the price, to be completely honest with you, because it does get cold in the office when I go in. So you're not going to catch me wearing summery shirts in the office when I go in because it's just too cold. Next item, I think I requested it too, but again, I'm not sure if it's this box, and I would be surprised if I did in the summer, but that doesn't mean anything. So this is also by Z Supply. You guys, it says Amore. It's summer social. I'm getting sweaters and I'm loving them, but I think I requested it. I love it, you guys. I really do. I love it. So this is kind of like a burgundy, and this is probably like an oatmeal color. I know it's summer social, you guys, but I love it. I gotta see what the price is. Oh, it was $79. We will see. I'm already getting a heads up of looking in here what's in the box, and it is quite humorous. This is the summer social box, and these are the items I'm seeing. Next, vacation mode. I might have requested this too, and I love it. It is a lightweight sweatshirt, you guys. It is lightweight. And it's 78 and Sunny. It's $69. I think that's pricey, you guys, for this. It really, really is. It is a nice it's quality made. It's lightweight. I don't know, you guys. I put it to the side of I don't know. Moving on. Okay, it's quite funny what I have in this box, you guys, for summer social. Now, I wish some of these items were also in the other box, but oh well. Okay, next. Also by 78 and Sunny. It's a lightweight sweater. And this is so me, you guys. This is me all over. Please be 59. It's 69. I think 59 would have been a better price for it. That is me. But it's summer social is nothing what I thought it was going to be. Next item is not me at all. It's by Hymois. So it's a lightweight shirt. It's got these sleeves. It's just not me at all. So this would definitely not be kept. Let me see if they have the price tag on this one. $69. I think that's pricey for this. Moving on. Guess what it is, you guys? It's by 78 and Sunny. It's the sweater. You guys, this is a very heavy, this is a heavy sweater, you guys. You can just tell. Do I like it? The heart's too big. Yeah, I think I might have actually requested it, but the heart's just too big, you guys. It's way too big. And it's way too thick. It's $89. That's a no. I can't be talked into that one, even though it's a sweater, because it's just, yeah. All right, this item, I'm pretty sure I've gotten in another box as well. It's 78 and Sunny. It's a cardigan. It's $89. It's just not me. I mean, I like the colors. It's just not me. Now, I wish that they did not repeat items, because I'm pretty sure this and this other one I've gotten before. Yeah. All right, so where are we going from here, you guys? Let's pull out the information. So it's the limited edition. It's the summer social, you guys. Not joking. This was done by Veronica. It says, I've picked comfy layers that transition perfectly as temperatures rise. Let me repeat that again, you guys. I've picked comfy layers that transition perfectly as temperatures rise. I don't know. And okay, let me read some more of this. It says, try tucking in. I'm looking through here. Okay, it says, try tucking the white C's tee into lightweight denim and layering with the orange C's cardigan. All right, I don't have a white C's tee in here. What I do have is a Sea Breeze boat neck puff sleeve tee in cherry. And I don't have an orange C's cardigan. What I have here is a sail fin ombre cardigan in beachy blush ombre. And then it mentions the orange cardigan again. And that's interesting. Oh, well, let's go through. So the botanical green sweater, this one, I requested it apparently in March. $69. The two things I've already put in here. So this cardigan, it says I requested the cardigan in March. Okay, you guys, it says I requested everything except 2 items. Okay, so all right. So it says I requested this in May. That would be shocking because one, it says it's a puff. Well, I guess it is. I don't know. That's what it says. That's what we're gonna go with. That surprises me. But that item there, $44.25 on sale. This item, it says I requested it as well, $89. This item I requested in March, $69. This I did not request, $69. I did request this in April, $89. The Amour, I requested in April, $89. Vacation Mode, requested in May, $59. And Vacation Mode, I did not request, $69. And last but not least, the Stripe Crew, $69, requested in May. So the entire box, yeah, that's right, entire box is $636.25. Okay, this is really interesting, you guys. How they're doing the pricing is a little different than what they've done before. Okay, so it's $636.25. You can take off $21.40 this time. Now there are 3 different coupons that can be applied, or it says coupons applied, and they just give a $1 amount. So it says 20% off 5-6 items, 25% off 7 to 8 items, or 30% off 90 items for $190.88 off. Then sales tax, the whole box will come to $455. So the way I'm interpreting this is if you keep 5 items, you get 20% off. So 5 or 6, 20% off. If you keep 7 or 8, you get 25. If you keep all 9, you get 30% off plus the $21.40. That's where we are today. So again, this is the Summer Social box. This is a hard one, you guys, because one, I selected most of what's in here. So I love the items I got in the box because they're sweaters and I liked them. I don't like the items for a summer social theme. So what I wish they would do, because I have not seen it, is I think it's the stream, I think is what they call this. You can go on and they'll show you the clothes. You can request to decline or snooze them. Meaning you like them, but you don't want them right now. I wish they had customized streams for the theme. Okay, because if I ask for, I want the summer social theme, and then I want clothes that are centered around summer social. I want summery clothes. I don't want sweaters, even though I like the sweaters and I want the sweaters. You can get just regularly occurring monthly boxes, and I am pretty sure I have that coming. I wish just the regular monthly boxes goes from a general stream, but then I wish they would have customized streams that fit the theme of that box. So again, I'm happy. I don't got many summery clothes, and that's okay. That's okay. So I am going to be doing a 4th video that actually then recaps what I decided to keep out of every one of these 3 boxes so far. I'm also going to be giving you then the total that I'm spending for items in each box, and then the total. And then coming here soon is going to be another 4th video of the 4th box is coming. And I'm pretty sure I got a 5th too, you guys. I can't remember. But so if you like what you see here and you want to stick around and see other things, you want to see more of my little Emmy Lou. You know, Emmy, come up close. She's not going to like this, just FYI, but I'll show you Emmy Lou. Oh, my baby girl. Emmy, people wants to see you. Say hi, Emmy Lou. Say hi. Okay. There you go. Good girl. Go get on your tower. Now she's got to, show that she's boss now. So again, if you like what you see, you want to see more, subscribe, like, give me your comments. What are your thoughts? I'm happy because they listened. All right, guys, take care, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye, everyone.